Hi everyone, today we are going to learn new words starting with letter I to build our vocabulary. So let's get going. Ice means water that is cold and hard. I like my ice cold water. Ice cream means a cold sweet food made out of sugar, milk and cream. Children love to eat ice cream. Indigo means a dark purplish blue color. Indigo is one of the 7 colors of the rainbow. Indoor means inside. Since it was raining, the kids stayed indoors. Ill means sick, not well. The child is ill with fever. Ink means a colored liquid used to write. The letter is written in black ink. Insect means a small animal with 6 legs and body divided into 3 parts. Invite means to ask someone to come. Brian invited his friend to a birthday party. Iron means an electric equipment with a flat base used to smooth out clothes. The iron is very hot, so be careful. Island means a piece of land surrounded by water. A small boat will take about an hour to reach the island. It means a word used to refer to a place, animal or thing. I have a cat and it loves to eat fish. That's all for now in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, check out my Instagram for more info. See you until next time.